Welcome back, guys. I was talking about meeting previously. So after we scheduled that meeting, what I want to do now is to create a meeting note. Yes. So when you check more, you see everything that has to do with meeting right here. So you have your meeting right here. So what are the things you need from meetings? You need a meeting note, you need a simple decision log, you need a detailed decision log. It depends. So let's say want to create a meeting note and we have an event already. Of course, we have an event, so you can insert this is an event, the event we scheduled, the BCS workforce session. So this is it, 9 to 10 a.m. So you're going to have it right here, and you can have your attendees listed here. So if you want to, you can add your attendees right here. And this right now, you could have the notes for the meeting. Then your action items could be created. If you remember vividly, I have a scribble. So let me just check my scribble on Google Keep. So let me just look for Google Keep. I scribbled some things like a meeting draft where I'm going to be able to order my thoughts. So I could order my thoughts into this. So I have a note. So we could say a note, and the note will be addressing. Okay, so the first thing should be a happy new month. Happy new month. Happy new month. And agenda, workforce agenda, workforce agenda for October. Okay, for October idea, and your action items will be here. So now you can now start creating your action items right here. So the first action item would be courses, courses to be mapped, courses to be mapped, and the status of mapping so far. Okay, that will be one. So this goes to Itunu. So that's the name of the person assigned to that duty. Then we have jump question, add copy extraction. Okay, so the next thing could be Dumola. Yes, so the next thing could be Dumola app development approach. Okay, approach product roadmap. Okay, so that would be that. Then the next thing will be maybe Bukola jump questions, add copy extraction. So jump questions, add copy extraction, add copy extraction. Okay, so I could assign this to like a Bukola. So these are action items for the meeting, which could easily be used as an agenda for your meeting. And that is how to go about doing all this on your Google document. So by the time you start the meeting, this now would be, so you could see email meeting notes. You could email meeting notes directly to people that came for the meeting. All you have to do is to send these notes right now. So when you are in a meeting and the you are the person taking the minutes, you can have your action items right here and start mapping it as you're having the meeting. Then have important note right here. Then attendees, you could input attendees, the name of attendees, of course, just take a register. So that's how you can take a meeting notes using these functionalities, and this would help you create a great minute. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.